Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick one. I just realized when I was looking at my YouTube channel page that I am at 799 subscribers. So probably in the next couple of days or so I'm going to hit 800. And I just wanted to get on here and thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you. This has been an this part of the hobby was something I didn't expect when I started doing models, and it's interesting to see the correlation between the hobby of model building and basically the hobby of making videos. So anyway, again, thank you guys very much. It's appreciated. And I appreciate everybody that interacts with my channel one way or the other. And yeah, I'm going to be getting, it turns out that I've got a couple of unexpected days off unless something changes at work. So I'll be getting bench time tomorrow and probably Wednesday. So we'll see how that plays out. If I get any progress on the 50 Chevy, I will post up a video about it. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good night, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.